Hello, little scientists. Welcome to Little Flow Science. Today, we will do a fun experiment called Emotion Balloon Gas Experiment. We will make a balloon grow using baking soda and vinegar. Our big question is, can a balloon grow with invisible gas? Let's find out together. Look at this balloon. Right now, the balloon is small and flat. But can something invisible fill it up? Today's big question is, can invisible gas fill a balloon? Gas is hard to see, but gas is real. Gas can take up space. Let's watch carefully and see what happens. What is gas? Gas is a kind of matter. Gas can move around. Gas can fill space. Air is a gas. We cannot always see gas, but we can see what gas does. When gas goes inside a balloon, the balloon gets bigger. Let's say the words together. Gas, air, space, invisible. Now let's choose a feeling for our balloon. What feeling balloon will you make? You can make a happy balloon. You can make a sad balloon. You can make an angry balloon. You can make a surprise balloon. Or you can make a silly balloon. Say it with me. My balloon is happy. My balloon is surprised. Great job. Let's check our materials. You need a small bottle, a balloon, baking soda, vinegar, a funnel, a marker, and a tray. The tray is important because this experiment can get a little fizzy. Remember, do this experiment with a teacher or grown-up. Step 1. Draw a feeling face on the balloon. You can draw happy eyes. You can draw a sad mouth. You can draw angry eyebrows. You can draw a surprised face. What feeling did you choose? See, my balloon is happy. My balloon is angry. My balloon is silly. Nice work. Step 2. Put baking soda inside the balloon. Use a funnel to help you. Carefully pour the baking soda into the balloon. Do not put the balloon on the bottle yet. Let's say baking soda goes in the balloon. Good job, scientists. Step 3. Pour vinegar into the bottle. Pour slowly and carefully. Do not mix yet. The baking soda is in the balloon. The vinegar is in the bottle. They are waiting to meet. What do you think will happen when they mix? Step 4. Put the balloon on top of the bottle. Now lift the balloon up. The baking soda falls into the vinegar. Look closely. Bubbles form. Fizz, fizz, fizz. The balloon is growing. The gas is filling the balloon. Wow, our feeling balloon is getting bigger. Why did the balloon grow? Baking soda and vinegar mixed together. They made gas. This gas is called carbon dioxide. The gas went up into the balloon. The balloon filled with gas. Then the balloon expanded. That means the balloon got bigger. Great job, little scientists. What feeling balloon did you make? Did you make a happy balloon? Sad balloon? Angry balloon? Surprised balloon? Or silly balloon? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time on Little Flow Science.